Hello eBay fans, this is Karen at Yankee Flippers with a demonstration video of the Panasonic flip up clock radio. It's model number RC-6040. As you can see, the clock is working. The radio does turn on. We get mostly static here across the radio stations. You can hear the volume. This unit may require, a more thorough cleaning and possibly a servicing to get it into a more proper working form. Some Bon Jovi for you. Minor surface scratches on the edges of the unit. The dials all appear to be in good working order. Here's the underside of the unit. There is the model number. Again, it's RC-6040. It's Panasonic. And there you have it. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video.